and public destruction of contraband luxury vehicles.
Pursuant to the clear directives of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte last March 14, 2018, when we first witnessed the initial public destruction of 14 luxury vehicles. Today, we are again witnesses to the condemnation and public destruction of 68 contraband luxury vehicles and 8 big motorcycles. No less than the President himself witnessed the condemnation of those 14 luxury vehicles and declared the government's strong resolve to restore good governance, preserve our nation's dignity, and safeguard our people's welfare. In adherence to the President's unequivocal stand, the CESA Board of Directors has resolved with finality all pending issues in accordance with the due process provision of CESA's administrative order on condemnation proceedings. Thus, all contraband luxury vehicles were legally seized and properly disposed of by CESA. In echoing the President's remarks last March 14, when he minced no words in declaring to put an end to a long-standing societal disease that has eroded public trust and tainted the government's sincerity to deliver equitable social services. This public condemnation and destruction will send out the message that CESA does not and will never again tolerate or condone or encourage smuggling or wrongdoing of any kind at the free port.